Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use data while on call. When an alert fires, your first step is to quickly assess the situation. Dive into your monitoring dashboards to grasp the immediate impact, looking for critical metrics like latency spikes or error rates. Simultaneously, check recent logs for any unusual entries or specific error messages that could point to the root cause. This initial data gathering is crucial for a swift and effective response. Once you have initial data, it's time to correlate information from various sources. Don't just look at one graph, connect the dots between different services and their metrics. Distributed tracing is invaluable here, allowing you to follow a single request's journey and pinpoint where it failed. Always compare current performance against historical baselines to quickly identify significant deviations, which often indicate the problem's origin. With a clearer picture, formulate a hypothesis about the incident's cause. This is your educated guess. Then, use targeted queries in your logging or metric systems, or even small, controlled experiments to validate or refute your hypothesis. For example, if you suspect a database issue, check its connection pool size. Documenting your findings and every action taken is vital for post-incident reviews and continuous improvement. Effective communication is paramount during an incident. Provide clear, data-backed updates to stakeholders, explaining the situation and your progress. Once a resolution is implemented, continue to monitor the relevant data to ensure the fix is effective and no new issues arise. Finally, contribute all your gathered data and insights to the post-incident analysis, helping your team learn and build more resilient systems for the future.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.